Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Well, I hope all you owners can make, so I say, head or tail of this, because I can't so much, but obviously I'm too old now, so I'm 65, so if you're younger you'll probably know what this is all about. It's on about a second gen key, how to put a new key on the bike, and so I'll just let you watch it. Thank you for subscribing, for all your subscribers. If you haven't already, please do so. Please like the videos. And this is Man Mickey. There's a PayPal me in the description below if you would like to donate to the channel. It'd be graciously received. Thank you very much. We don't make no money off of YouTube, and a lot of time and effort goes into doing these videos. So thank you very much. Please enjoy the video, and I will see you all later.
Yeah.